Alright guys, we're back. And this time we're on the Fatbob 107. Jesus, this thing really is just fat. Alright, same starting sequence. Ooh. Yes. Yeah, see, this is definitely more. See, the bars is lower. The forward controls. I can turn my high beams off because I don't need it. And we're going, man. We're going. Yeah, this thing is insane. Yeah, see, this seat is much more planet than that thing is, for sure. There's no question about that. This thing is definitely meant for you just destroy the canyons with. This thing is a beast. Oh man, oh my god. Yeah, this thing rides just like my Honda Shadow. It's, in terms of ergonomics anyway. Other than that, it rides nothing like the Honda Shadow. Let's make that clear. And I love the gauge on this thing because it's just, you have an analog tach, a digital fuel, you got your mileage, but everything's there when you need it. This is their power cruiser right here. He was telling me, would you rather spend the extra money and get in the bike that you want, or just save a little bit less and just settle for, you know, something that's a little bit less? And that's obviously the cheaper alternative, but that doesn't mean that that's a downgrade in any way whatsoever. So this right here, this is just like I said, this is my dream bike, my dream Harley right here. So the fact that I'm riding this thing right now is just, you know, mind blowing right now. So I'm really excited. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, this is it right here. This bike will give me so much trouble. Ugh. Screw the debt. This thing will give me oh my god. Oh my goodness. This thing is insane. Oh man. Like, that pulls. Don't get me wrong. That pulls hard like a motherfucker. Okay. Alright. Getting all kind of close there. But this thing. See, the thing is, see, if I want to buy this bike, besides exhaust, I really wouldn't change a thing on it. Like, I like the bars, and I see a lot of people put T-bars on these things, and like I said, bars, that's all personal preference. But for me, there's nothing you can do to this bike that that would make it more suitable, I guess. Where if I had that, for sure, the first thing I would change is that seat. And like I said before, it's not a bad seat. It's very small in terms of, you know, you holding you in place. So, but it's just like when you squeeze on that throttle, yeah, I can see right away, I can feel the difference. And you know, that lean, like, don't get me wrong, the leaning capabilities of these things is unbelievable. But and what I mean by that is that you can feel the difference in leaning effort when you're trying to lean, you know, these big meaty tires versus those skinny tires. I mean, the front tire is the same size as the rear tire on that thing. So that just goes to show what kind of thing that you're getting into. But, oh man. God, I love that. Dude! I mean, dude! It's insane. Oh my god, the power, dude. Got your roll glide there, very nice. Yeah, I can tell right away that the engine feel is this feels a little bit more responsive than that does. Keep chirping that rear tire. But this for sure, it feels like it revs more than that does. Like this is just more. This is definitely this is the sport bike of Harley right here. This is you got dual calipers, you got all this going on. I love this chrome. I love this, like this whole copper looking exhaust, and man, both these bikes are absolutely gorgeous. It's just, that's 16 and this is almost $19,000. So yeah, but hey, f it. Can't put a price on happiness until you see that monthly bill, and then it's like, oh, that's how much happiness costs, huh? JK. Do what you want, man. Life is too short to be worried about stuff all the time. Just do what makes you happy, and obviously, you know, use a little bit of common sense, but you know, just don't worry about the small stuff, man. Life is too short, man. You're 20 years old, and then later you're 75, so it can go away just like that. Oh my god, dude, this bike right here. See, I knew I was gonna love this bike, and like I said, I was more into the not the matte black, but the black denim, because I like that matte color. But this vivid black is absolutely gorgeous. It's just, the only thing is that I'm afraid of, you know, it's gonna get scratched up eventually. So I don't know, but that's just me. Yeah, this bike has me feeling some type of way for sure. I'm gonna go look at my battery life. Oh, I'm good. All right. Camera's kind of tilted to the right, left there, but whatever. Wide angle lens, that can be fixed in post-production. But yeah, this thing, I mean, don't get me wrong, I can definitely feel the heat coming off this thing, but it's I guess it's just something that you're gonna have to get used to. You know, I'm so used to liquid cooled bikes, and don't get me wrong, liquid cooled bikes can run pretty hot too. But it's just the fact that, you know, more heat is going to be much more dispersed than a liquid cooled engine would anyway. So I don't know, it's just something I have to get used to regardless of which bike I go for. But man, I don't know, man. This Fatbob has me feeling some type of way, man. The last time I test rode this thing, you know, the dude was kind of conservative and didn't really go far. We couldn't even go that fast, but now this guy right here, you know, he knows me, he knows I'm good. So it's just, you know, it's just a matter, you know, of knowing the right people. But regardless, man, just test ride these things, man. I mean, I know there's so many reviews and stuff like that going on YouTube, but just test ride them, man. Don't knock them until you try them. Like, I can't stand eggs. Doesn't mean I'm gonna try it. So, well, let me take that back. I've already established I didn't like eggs, but I'm just not a fan of them. But I don't know. That's a different story, man. The point is, go on and test ride them. This heat is definitely cooking my leg. My right leg, to be exact. Yeah, this feels a, yeah, I like this a lot. Me likey a lotty. Look at that, you just give it a clutch, no gas whatsoever, man. Okay, cool, awesome. All right, yeah, so there it is. 2018 Fatbob 107, 2018 Street Bob. I don't know, man. We'll see what happens, man. Man, I just can't choose right now, man. It's so, I can't choose, man. I can't choose.
That's a hard decision right there, brother. Let me look at your shadow real quick, okay?
All right. All right, I'll catch you guys later.